So like any profession, there are lot of vocab particular to that profession. Like in medical, there is a particular vocab. If we say lateral, medial, central, so it is a kind of a vocab applicable to the healthcare professionals. Similarly, engineers has got their language. They say gigo, mean to say garbage in, garbage out. If you are dealing with the softwares and kind of the computer output. Similarly, legal profession also has some kind of vocab, and that legal vocab must be understood by the professionals. Few key terms like who is plaintiff, who is defendant, who is petitioner. I will be explaining this in detail into the coming slides. Then what is the jurisdiction where the proceedings will take place? It is the jurisdiction. Then what is liability? What is statute? What is a provision? And what is a clause? I will be explaining these terms in the coming lectures. Just you have to understand here that I am making you oriented towards that what terms you should know. And what is legal notice? We are all very afraid of as a legal notice. And if a court calls us, it is summon. And what is decree? It is not degree, it is decree which is issued by the court. So we will be looking forward for these terms in detail in coming lectures.